Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the Hope School and College. Today we are going to study about heat transfer. What is heat transfer? The movement of heat from a warmer object to a cooler object is known as heat transfer. We know that heat always flows from a body at a higher temperature to a body at a lower temperature. The hotter body loses its heat and the cooler body gains it. The flow of heat stops when the temperature of both containers become equal. This is known as heat transfer. There are three methods of heat transfer means by which the heat is transferred. Number one is conduction, number two convection, and number three radiation. So firstly we will read about conduction. What is conduction? In this method, heat is transferred from particle to particle with the actual movement of the particles from the medium. Heat moves from one solid to another by conduction. Or conduction is the process by which heat energy is transferred by adjacent molecular collision inside a material. As you can see in the picture that the heat is transferred in the whole container and the whole container becomes warmer. Number two is convection. In convection, heat is transferred from one point to another by the actual movement of the particles of the medium. In liquids, the heat is transferred by convection, and in solids, heat is transferred by conduction. You can see that when the lower particles become warmer, they will change their place and they will move upward. So, number third is radiation. In this method, heat travels in a straight line from one point to another without heating the medium. For example, the heat of sunlight reaches the earth from space by radiation. Or when we are standing or sitting near the fire, we can feel the heat. That heat is transferred through radiation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.